Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all viewers are fine. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am providing trendy and beautiful haldi dress design ideas, bridal haldi design ideas. Haldi dress they keep is a balanced addition with modern aesthetic while ensuring the outfit is comfortable enough for the ceremony rituals. The haldi ceremony is usually vibrant and joyful, marked by use of turmeric paste, which is why brides often option for yellow or mustard tones, symbolize the associations of the occasion. However, this ample room for creative in both the design and color petals. Yellow langa with floral accents, a classic yet trendy option in a yellow langa, which has become a staple for haldi ceremonies. To make this look unique, choose a langa in a lightweight fabric like chiffon, georgette, or organza, which allow for easy movement and comfort during the ceremony. The lehenga can be adorned with subtle embroidery, mirror work, or even delicate beadwork. With the real standout feature should be the floral accent. Images soft pastel floral embroidery along the border or small scattered floral motifs on the choli. To enhance the traditional look, pair the lehenga with the contrasting or matching dupatta that is edged with pom-poms or delicate lace. For an extra touch of wisdom, consider accessorizing with a real or article floral jewelry such as a flower crown, floral earrings, and bangles made for marigold or jasmine flowers. This is not only adds a natural and fresh elements to your sample but also ties in beautifully with the ceremonial significance of haldi. Elegant anarkali in sunshine yellow. If you prefer something that offer both elegance and comfort, a flowy anarkali in a vibrant shade of yellow and mustard in a fantastic option. The anarkali with its long gracefully can be designed with minimalistic embroidery, focus on the neckline curves and hemline to keep the outfit light and breathable. The popular trend is to include note a slight asymmetry in the hemline or to introduce a high-low designs which adds a contemporary twist to traditional outfit. Pair this with a sheer net dupatta feature intricate borders or subtle all over embroidery. The beauty of an anarkali is in the versatility you can for a simpler design if you want to keep if it low key or option for something more elaborate if you are looking to make a statement. The long flowing layers of the anarkali allow for graceful movement, making an idea for choice a ceremony that involve a lot of interaction and participation. For a bridal look to make a bold fashion statement while staying rooted in traditional ashrara set with a boho twist could be a preferred healthy outfit. The style typically including wide legged sharara pants paired with a short kurti and dupatta. Choose a kurti is a rich yellow or turmeric embellishment with light mirror work or gota patti that catch the light beautifully. The sharara pants can be made from a contrasting fabric like glass silks or broadcast to add texture and depth of the outfit. So guys, I hope you all love these all dresses, so please share this video with your friends who love want aren't these the type of dresses. I hope they will love all these dresses. And so now you guys can tell me what kind of dresses would you like to see in my next video. Please friend like my video and subscribe my channel for new and trendy ideas related to these dresses. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching this video.